In this video, I'm going to teach you how to promote people in your Roblox group. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can promote people on your Roblox group as long as you are the owner and you want to promote them to admin. I'm not sure if you will be able to promote others if you are not the owner of the group, but you can still follow along to figure this out. So in order to find the members of your group and promote them, first go into the Communities tab, so visit the Roblox website through your computer, PC, laptop, or even a phone, and then sign into your account. Choose Communities at the left and find the specific group or community where you want to manage people's roles. Now click on these three dots at the top right corner of the group, and in here you have to find the Configure Group option. If you don't see this option, then you will not be able to promote people, but if you do, select it. This will redirect you to the settings page for your group where you are able to configure a bunch of things. Now, what you have to do here is go over to the Members tab. In this page, all of the members of this specific group will be displayed, so they will appear on a list. You are going to appear as the owner if you are the one who created the group, and what you have to do to any member that you would like to promote, so in this example, this person here, just click on the option or this drop down menu where it says member, and you will see all of the roles that you have on your group, and then you can change them from a member to an admin, for example, which essentially allows you to promote them. If you have different roles, they might appear in here as well. So basically, click on the row underneath of their name, and once you select the row, you will be able to change the currently assigned row to something else like admin, so promoting them. Like I said before, you can set up custom roles and you can promote everyone by going over to the configure page and then choosing members at the left side of the screen. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing because as you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.